In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Bote board discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser right here, and you'll have to search for Bote board discount promo code. Right here, you have to go to this website, which is called simplycodes.com, and open it. So as you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 25% discount right here, all you need to do is select copy code. And this is the promo code. You can copy the promo code from right here, and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase so that you can get that 25% discount. Also, going back to our main search, we have this coupon.com website. So as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get discount. For example, if you want to get this $10 discount right here, all you need to do is select get code. And this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this promo code. And if you apply this one on your next purchase, you'll get this $10 discount right here. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.